Hello students, our next topic is expectation of the x, that is median. Here the formula to find expectation of x, that is mu, is sigma xi into pxi. Now the further question are based on this topic, that is expectation of x or to find the median. So let us start with the question. Here question number 10. Find the mean number of the heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Now, whenever any question is there, first we are determine the value of determine the x, that is the random variable, and second we require the sample space. So here mean, find the mean. Whose mean we have to find out? The number of heads. So x, that is number of head in 3 tosses of a fair coin. So 3 tosses of coin, it will gives us the sample space. So S is equals to the 3 tosses of a coin. So all the outcomes are HHH, HHT, HTH and so on. We know this how to prepare. Now X will gives us the number of heads. So according this to this our outcome, this 8 outcome, we have the number of heads. How many number of heads can be there? If TTT, then 0, then 1, then 2 and 3. Only 4 possible outcome can be there. 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let us find out probability of 0. So probability of 0, that means probability of no head. No head, that means HHH. No head, that means TTT. So probability of TTT, that is 1 upon 8. If we find out probability of 1, that means probability of only one head. So you can see from here how many outcome with one head. So HTT, TTH and THT. So here 3 outcome out of 8. So therefore 3 by 8 will be the probability of for 1, that is one head. Probability of 2, that is probability of the outcome where 2 heads are exist. Now let us see where is 2 head. This is one, HHT, HTH and THH. So these 3 outcome will gives us 2 heads. So 3 out of 8, so 3 by 8. Probability of 3, that is 3 head, that is only one outcome, HHH. So 1 upon 8. So this is the easy equation. You can see again here your sample space, that is 3 tosses of the coin, then x, the number of heads, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you find out probability of 0, probability of 1, probability of 2 and probability of 3. Now as we have find out the random variable and its probability, so now we can find out the expectation of x. So let us see first the tabular form, the probability distribution. Students, it is not compulsory, for it is only for our convenience. So x and probability of x, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and probability of 0 is 1 upon 8, probability of 1 3 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. Now expectation of the x. So here the formula sigma xi into pxi. So here sigma xi into pxi, this means 0 into probability of 0 plus 1 into probability of 1 plus 2 into probability of 2 plus 3 into probability of 3. Okay, so here you have 0 into probability of 0, 1 into probability of 1 plus 2 into probability of 2 plus 3 into probability of 3. So here we have 0 into 1 upon 8 plus 1 into 3 upon 8 plus 2 into 3 upon 8 plus 3 into 1 upon 8. Just find the calculation. You just see the calculation here. 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 8, that is 12 by 8, that is 3 by 2. Okay, 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. So 3 by 2. So expectation of x is 1.5. So this is the question number 10, where we have to find out the expectation of the x. Again student, see this, whenever you have to find out the expectation of x or median of a random variable, first you have to determine the random variable in the given question, and then you have to see the sample space according that, and then you have to make a probability distribution, the third step, and fourth we have to find the expectation of the x. So let us see the next question now. Question number 11. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find the number of sixes, then find the expectation of x. Now student, you know that how to find out now you know that in this question which is a sample space and which is the random variable. The sample space, that is two dice are thrown, and its sample space we can make, so here 1 1 1 2 1 3 so on up to 6 6. Now x is number of sixes. Now this you have to see. Now number of 6 means in any one of the die the 6 is appear. Now there are three type of condition we can see, where is 0. 0 means no 6 appears, like 1 1 or 1 2 1 3, where 6 is not appears on any of the dice, so there is a random variable 0. If I consider 1, that means 6 is appear any one of the die. That means the type of 1 6 or 6 1, where any one die will give you the 6. Okay, any one, not both. And when we consider 2, that means on both of the die 6 is appears. Now you clearly understood how to find out the probability of 0, 1 and 2. Let me see. If we take probability of 0. Now probability of 0 means probability of no 6 on any of the dice. So that means 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 so on. You can see all these 3 1 3 2 3 3 4 1 4 2 4 3 so on, 5 1 5 2. So these are the all the outcome where no 6 on any of the dice, and these are total 25 outcome. So therefore our probability is probability of 0, that is 25 upon 36. If we find now probability of 1. Now probability of 1 means 6 appears only once, or you can say 6 appear only on one dice. That means the outcomes we can see 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 and 6 5. So here you can see here that 6 appears only once, and there are totally 10 outcome. So 10 out of 36, that is our probability of 1. Now if we see probability of 2. So probability of 2 means 6 appears on both the dice, that is 6 6. So probability of 2 is 1 by 36. So here your probability distribution 0 1 2. And what is the probability of 0? You can see again the video here. So 25 by 36, 10 by 36 and 1 by 36. Let us see again, just take a quick recap of this question. So here probability of 0, that is no 6 on any of the dice. Here then it's a probability, then probability of 1, that is 10 by 36. Probability of 2, that is 1 by 36, and then its probability distribution. But student, question is not over. We have to find out the expectation of x, and now you know how to find out the expectation of the x or the median, like this sigma xi into pxi. So 0 into 25 by 36 plus 1 into 10 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 36. So here the calculation 0 plus 10 by 36 plus 2 by 36, that is 12 by 36, that is 1 upon 3, that is 0.33. Here so with this question is over, question number 11. We will see now question number 12. But before that you can observe here, look here, it is a 10 by 36. I have not simplified it, only to simplify your calculation. So in so many questions there are simplification can be done, but we will avoid only for the calculation. Okay, we will avoid the simplification. We will write down directly like the same denominator, so we can easily calculate it. Now let question number 12. Question number 12 is two numbers are selected at random without replacement. So here without replacement, that means we have to not select the number again. Okay, which number we have selected? Suppose we have selected 2, then 2 is selected and keep it outside. Okay, we will not select it again. So from the first 6 positive integers, let x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained, then find the expectation of x. So here first thing, two positive integers can be selected from first 6 positive integer. Now we know that first 6 positive integer are this. In 6 into 5 is equal 30 ways. Now you know the permutation we have done. It is the question of the arrangement, that two places we have to fill and we have 6 numbers. So how we can do? First place we can fill with the 6 number. Whichever number we have used, we will not use it again. So therefore second place can be filled with the 5 numbers. So here 6 into 5, that is equals to 30 ways. We can arrange the two places because we have to select two numbers. Okay, so it is the same as that. Now x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained. Now what are the possible things we can say? How we can select? If first number is selected as a 1, if you want to make the sample space, then we can make it like this. Sample space is equals to first 1, then again 1 we will not select, so we can select 2, then 1 3, then 1 4, then 1 5, then 1 6. Okay, similarly if you select 2 first, then 2 1, then 2 2, then 2 3, then 2 4, then 2 5, then 2 6. Sorry, 2 2 will not select. Okay, as the same number will not repeat. Similarly the others. So this can be your sample space. Okay, so according to this, what can be our x? X is the larger number obtained. So larger number here is 2, here 3, here 4, 5 and 6. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 and next will be 6. So in each of the experiment you will get x as 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the random variable. Okay, I hope you understood up to this. Now let me find out the probability. Now x is equals to 2. That means 2 is the larger number. So we have to find out probability of 2. So probability of 2 means 1 2 and 2 1. Only 2 outcome we can consider. If we consider other than this, then larger number will change. So 1 2 and 2 1. So 2 by 30, that is 1 by 15. Okay, here we have simplified, but in probability distribution we will use this 2 by 30. Now if x is equals to 3, then probability of 3 is probability of 1 3, 2 3, 3 1 and 3 2. These are only the 4 outcomes. So 4 by 30, so 2 by 15. If x is equals to 4, that means larger number is 4. So probability of 4, that is 1 4, 4 1, 2 4, 4 2, 3 4, 4 3. So these are the 6 outcome out of 30. So 6 by 30, that is equals to 1 by 5. Probably x is equals to 5. That means larger number is 5. So probability of 1 5 5 1, 2 5 5 2, 3 5 5 3, 4 5 and 5 4. So there are again how many numbers we have? 8. 8 out of 30. So 4 by 15. If x is equals to 6, then probability of 6, that is probability of 1 6 6 1, 2 6 6 2, 3 6 6 3, 4 6 6 5, 5 6 and 6 5, that is 10 by 30, that is equals to 1 by 3. So student, this is we have probability of 2, probability of 3, probability of 4, probability of 5 and probability of 6. So all things we have found. So let us find out the first probability distribution. So this is your probability distribution. There is a question here. Now this is our probability distribution. So x is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Probability is 2 by 30, 4 by 30, 6 by 30, 8 by 30 and 10 by 30. Here again we have simplified it, but in the probability distribution we have write down the same thing as the calculation for the calculation. Now expectation of x, we know the formula xi into pxi. So just we have to multiply these two values. 2 into 2 by 30, 3 into 4 by 30, 4 into 4 by 30. So here we have x into xi into pxi, 2 into probability of 2, that is 2 by 30. Okay. Then 3 into p by 3, 4 into p by 4, 5 into p by 2 into p of 2, 3 into p of 3, 4 into p of 4, 5 into p of 5 and 6 into p of 6. All the values we have, or this is a not compulsory step, you can avoid this also. So let 2 by 30, 3 into 4 by 30, 4 into 6 by 30, 5 into 8 by 30, 6 into 10 by 30, and the calculation is given us as this. So 140 by 3, so 40 by 3, and this is 4.66. So any answer will be correct if we write 14 by 3 or 4.6. So with this, your video of the today's are over. Here today we have seen two topics. One, when probability of distribution is given and value of k we have to find, and the probability that will gives us the more concept. Okay, this will gives us clear idea about the probability distribution. Then the next topic we have seen, that is expectation of the x. Here the question, expectation of x. Just remember this formula, and so we can see how to solve the equations. So with this, today's video is over. Thank you and have a nice day.